Right. Okay, come children, let's continue with today's lesson. You all can see my screen, right? All right, you all can hear my voice, right? That's the most important, my beautiful face and also my screen. All right. Okay, let's go. So this one is about mock paper, paper 1 actually. All right, mock paper 1, the short answer question portion. All right, which many of you did the work. I'm so proud of you guys. Kalista, Darius, Shensing, Jasmine, J, Jovi, Kane, Lermi, and Raj. Wow, amazing. More and more students are doing the worksheet already. I'm so proud of you all. Seriously. All right, thank you for trying to do. All right, I know that many of you got other school exam paper thrown to you by your school and all this. All right, and you still got time to do my worksheet. I'm really very happy. Thank you so much. All right, good job, good job. All right, so children, let's go into the. Lermi, you haven't do yet. No, Lermi, I saw your entry. You did it. All right, you did it already. Come on, let's see that. Okay, wait, let me admit another student in. Oh my goodness, I can't seems to move this. I'm so not used to this, man. Oh my goodness.
Can we go back to the other thingy?
Zoom cannot lah, because honestly I told you already, the Zoom is charging 88 tuition quite expensive fee. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know yet. All right. I don't know yet. All right. Let's see how it goes first. Hello, Jay. All right. Come. Let's go. Let's go into today's lesson. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are doing the paper 1 SAQ portion. Hello, Kane. Oh no, Kane want to join this call. Oh my goodness. Yes, Raj, you're right. Zoom is actually charging a fee, but because I think that they see that our usage is very high, so they actually increase our charges. So naughty, right? But this is business, lah. Business is like that one, right? When more people use it, right, they also want to get extra profit out of it. Oh, yeah, sad life, I know. All right. So, children, let's go into our worksheet for this week. Let's go. All right, and later we can try to do the Kahoot also, because my first time using this this Google Meet. All right, want to see whether I can use the Kahoot also. All right. Hello, Kane. All right, let's go into the first question. Oh my goodness, the first question is so easy. It's so easy to do math. It's so easy to do math. It's so easy, so easy. Whoa, it's so easy. You see? I still sound as good, right? Whether it's Zoom or in Google Meet, right? It's still my singing, right? Right? Can eventually wake you all from your dreams. Okay, wait, another student coming in. Okay, so hello, Darius. What's up, Darius? All right, how come got black cat, Darius? All right, anyway, come, let's take a look. Use all the number. You're supposed to use all, children. Oh, yo. You're supposed to use all, children. All the digits, in order to form a number closest to 90,000. All right, so children, usually for this, right, I will draw in my 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So please, there might be a couple of possibility. All right. So please, if you need to write out the possibility, do write out the possibility. Okay. So closest to 9, right? Obviously, the first number it should be 8 is something lah. But closer to 9 can also be 9. Right or not? Can you see or not? So that is the first 2 possibility that it can be either 8 or 9. All right. So let's go and look at the 8 one. All right. So you're looking for the number closest to 90,000. It must be what? It must be the largest 5-digit number starting with 8. What? All right. Must be the largest 5-digit number starting with 8. Correct or not? Correct. All right. So what's the largest? So you can actually write 8, 9. 8, 9 what? All right. 7, 2, 1. Yes. That will be the largest 5-digit number starting with 8. Or it can be the what? It can be the smallest. It can be the smallest 5-digit number starting with 9. Do you understand or not? All right. There's only these 2 possibilities. So you have to write out. Once you write out, it's easier to compare. Right, so the smallest 5-digit number starting with 9 is 1, 2, 7, 8. Ta-da! All right, so now you have to come to a conclusion. Which is the correct answer? All right, so the correct answer is what? You can actually do a subtraction. 90,000 minus 89,721 to see the gap versus 90,000 and 91,278. Oh, this one is 91,278. All right, so the gap is like 1,278. Can you see or not? Where else down here, right? The gap is only, I think, 200 plus only. So the closest, the answer will be 8, 9, 7, 2, 1. Do you understand, children? You understand? 8, 9, 7, 2, 1. Do you understand? I hope you understand. All right, so do write out the different possibility. It will give you an idea what is happening. Once you understand what is happening, right? Oh, the 1 mark is yours. All right, and children, it's always all this 1 mark, right? You think it's very easy, but these are the questions that actually you are careless in. Do you understand? Do you know or not? All right, your thing is too simple. All right, so when you think that it's too simple, right, you tend to what? You tend to not care about it too much. And once you start to not care about it too much, what happen? Oh, you're minus 1 mark for nothing. Right, so children, please understand that all this 1 mark or 2 mark, right, you still have to do it as best as you can. Can? Oh no, who's that? Darius. Hello, Darius. Yep. Yep. Thank you for muting yourself. Thank you. All right. So okay, yeah. Now I can see more people. Okay. All right. So children, question number 16 done. Kane, right? Kane, are you okay? Okay. Okay. Come. Question number 17. Let's go. Mr. Lin. Mr. Lin had a string which was 4 meter long. All right. Mr. Lin got a string that's 4 meter long. All right. So this is like a 4 meter long string, and he cut it into 6 equal pieces. Hiya. 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 6 equal pieces. So basically what you're doing, you're taking 4 meter to divide by what? To divide by 6 pieces. Can you understand? You're basically taking 4 meter, which is the total, right? To divide by 6 equal pieces. Can you see that? Yes, right. Are you Kalista? No. Kalista is one of my students. Why, Mingy? What happened? Why? No, my name is Ben Ong. My name is not Kalista. Kalista is one of the students, one of the P5 student here. All right. Who is 1, 2, 3? I don't know. Why? Well, is there a problem with 1, 2, 3? All right. Who is 1, 2, 3? I also don't know who. All right. Why? Is there a problem? All right. Anyway, yeah, it's okay. All right. Anyway, 1, 2, 3. Give me the right answer just now. 8, 9, 7, 2, 1. The previous answer. All right. Okay, that means that it's one of the students here, lah. Right. Right. Because down here, right, you're not able to write your name, right? All right. Oh, Kalista is 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Thank you. All right. So Mingy can or not? Okay, Kalista is 1, 2, 3. Right. I don't know why she called herself 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, come. So you're supposed to express your answer as a fraction in the simplest term. So your answer will be what? 4 over 6 now is 2 over 3 meter. All right. And you're supposed to key in the answer of 2 over 3. And that will be your answer. Is that okay, no, children? It's not difficult, It's not difficult. All right, children, it's not difficult. Don't worry about it. All right, for your final year exam also, they are easy questions. So you must secure all these easy marks. Then the paper 2, that one you might have to spend extra time on it. All right, but easy marks, easy question, you must secure your marks. Cannot give it away. Can? Okay, come. Moving on to the next question. Question number 18. Let's go. Oh, Angus. Oh my goodness. How do you find angle A? Angle A is down here. All right. So you must know one thing. One entire round is what? 360 degrees. This one is 90 degrees, right? Right. And please remember paper 1. Paper 1, you cannot use your calculator. So all this must use what? All this must use your working. Joel, why must change to Google Meet? I just not explain already. Because Zoom, right, the company is charging a high fee, right? Because they think that our students are growing, and we are keep using the Zoom account, so they charge us a higher fee. Seriously, I'm not kidding you. So Zoom actually charges us a higher fee from the previous time. I don't know how much. Jay. I'm not the boss. I don't know. Right. So because they are charging a higher fee, so we are actually looking for other alternatives, lah. All right. Because if all these charges goes up, right, then later your tuition fee also go up. Oh no. All right. So we are trying to cut down the cost. We are trying to cut costs for everybody, right, to help everybody save a bit of money. Hopefully you all understand, lah, huh? All right. So down here, children, what do we have? The 90 degrees and the 36 degrees is given. All right. This box actually means what? This box actually means 90 degrees. Hey, children. Right. This box actually means 90 degrees. Right. By now you should know. All right. So what is 90 plus 36? All right. Things that we have, we add them first. 1, 2, 6. Okay. And one entire round is 360. So 360 degrees minus 1, 2, 6. All right. Show your working, children. All right. It's okay to do your working in paper 1. All right. You're supposed to actually, so that you will not make any silly, careless mistake. Answer is 234. This is called what? This is called angle at a point. Angle at a point. So angle at a point, all the angles add up to what? 360 degrees. Okay? Okay, so question 18 done, huh? All right, today again, right, the plan is we will have to finish all these questions. Then after that, we'll go into Kahoot. I see whether I can use Kahoot or not. I don't know. All right, because this is my first time using Google Meet also. All right, we are actually experimenting. Oh, somebody want to join the call here? All right, so after the Kahoot, right, if it's successful, we'll go into extra questions once again. Is that okay? All right, and again, all right, this is in preparation for your end of year examination. All right, P5 end of year examination, try to score well. You can do it. Yes, you can. All right, so if you do well, right, wow, I'll be so super happy, man. Okay, come, question number 19. Find the value of 18,000 divided by 500. So for this type of question, right, you can do it 2 methods. One thing you can say is 18,000 divided by what? 500 can be written as 100 divided by 5. Can you see that? All right, because these two, right, these two actually combine to give you the what? The 500 what? All right, so when you say divide, right, all must be divide. All right, when you say divide, right, down here the question is divide, right? Everyone must be divide. Okay, follow the pattern. So down here, right, I purposely divide by 100 first. How come? Because when you divide by 100, right, 2 zeros cancel, 2 0 cancel, easier. So you're left with 180 divide by the 5 down here. Can you understand? Like that easier to do what? All right, the numbers is smaller and you can divide much more confidently. All right, and here is your answer. 5 times 6 is 30. 0 remainder. And therefore your answer is 36. Can you understand, children? So once again, children, paper 1, you cannot use your calculator. You must know how to do your long division. Because some of you, right, I scared, man. You all keep pressing calculator. You keep pressing calculator. Oh, press until you forget how to do your long division. Aiyo. All right, that would be terrible. All right, that would be terrible. All right, so must learn how to do all this long division and stuff. I press for fun. You funny, yo. All right, like this. Hey, I also press. Can you see? I press for fun and like that. Is it? Aiya, you so cute lah. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to change my layout. Hey, stop spamming! Hey, stop spamming. Hello? Oh my goodness. You see lah. Once I start, right, everybody's continue. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, children. Let's see. I don't know how to do that. I cannot see all of your faces. Yeah, I cannot see all your faces. Oh. Okay, anyway. Hey, yeah. Hey, stop spamming, please. Ken? Hey, the rest, can you please relax? All right, I stop already. Thank you so much. You see, that's why I love our primary five. You are mature kids, you know.